LymphWorks facial sculpting with Buccal Massage entails working on the outside of the face and inside the oral cavity or mouth. The session will open with a facial cleanse with hot towel, and then thoroughly work to release and sculpt the tissue of the chest, neck, face and scalp. It is considered a natural facelift. Fascial release, trigger point, and often lymphatic drainage may be performed inside and outside of the mouth. Facial sculpting with Buccal Massage blissfully targets tension, inflammation, TMJD issues, sinus issues, headaches, wrinkles, and much more. This technique can restore balance, contour, tone, and circulation, while lifting skin, fascia, muscles, and fat pads. This deeply relaxing technique may shift the limiting energies, stress, emotions, and expression and postural patterns held in the upper body. It is great for improving complexion, reduction of swelling, neck tension, and imbalances held in the face. The technique may include lymphatic brushing, facial cupping, acupressure, and the application of a natural barrier balm and lip balm. Gloves are always worn by the facial sculpting therapist during the intra-oral or buccal work.